Everyone, I'm back today with the new update on the aviation sector. Yesterday, we reported about the Air India mid-air scare in the Phuket Delhi-bound aircraft, which witnessed the severe turbulence. The aircraft dropped to 300 feet, because of which several passengers, in fact, the crew members, were critically injured. They were taken to nearby hospital. But what is the today's update? The today's update is today Air India has appointed the new CEO. Now, the new CEO of Air India is Tewolde Gebremariam. Now, he has an experience of working 37 years in the Ethiopian Airlines. He's the one who has transformed Ethiopian Airlines from becoming Africa's largest airline in the period of 2011 till 2022, and he's the one who has been given the appointment today, and he will join Air India not only just as the CEO but MD as well. He'll be replacing Campbell Wilson of the Air India, and we very well know that after the crash of AI-171, Campbell Wilson announced that he's stepping down from the position of CEO just few months ago, and at that time there was a lot of discussion regarding who will be the new CEO of Air India. So this appointment has come today. And why this appointment has come today? It has come today because there was a marathon meeting in the Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Air India officials, and it was being stated that after AI-171 there was a fear of flying amongst the passengers. But after yesterday's incident of mid-air scare, there is a fear of flying in Air India amongst passengers. The tales which passengers shared yesterday and they described was not only just about severe turbulence. They stated that it was something different. The aircraft turned around, and that is what everyone is speaking about. But what I also want to tell all our viewers is that Tewolde Gebremariam, who has been appointed as the CEO of Air India, he was earlier approached by Pakistan International Airlines as well. Now, there are several reports which are doing rounds on social media that there was the security clearance of Tewolde by the Pakistan International Airlines. He had already accepted the offer, but all these news are fake, they are false, because Tewolde Gebremariam never accepted the offer of Pakistan International Airlines. The Pakistan International Airlines, after being privatized, they approached Gebremariam to come and join them as a CEO, but he denied and accepted the offer of Air India. Now he'll be taking charge soon, because Campbell Wilson will be bidding goodbye to all the employees of Air India finally on 13th of August. We have brought you this story and this update on why this matters, because for everyone, every passenger who's traveling in and around the country or outside the country, the news regarding aviation matters at Why This Matters. Stay tuned, and we'll update you with more information if it comes on the aviation and regarding Air India soon. Keep watching Why This Matters.